how great user experiences are built? It all starts with 5 simple layers. In this video, let me break down the 5 planes of UX design in just 5 minutes. Strategy, scope, structure, skeleton, and surface. Think of these as layers in a cake. Each one builds on the other to create an amazing user experience. First, let's start with the strategy plane. The strategy plane is the foundation of the entire UX design process. Without it, you're basically designing in the dark. Strategy plane aligns business goals and user needs. It ensures that what you're building makes sense for both the user and the business. For example, if user wants fast food delivery and the business wants more sign up, your UX needs to support both. Strategy plane guides every other decision. All the other planes, that is scope, structure, skeleton, and surface, depends on the strategy. Without a clear strategy, you might build features that don't solve real problems. It saves time and money. Catching misalignment early avoids costly redesigns later. Example, imagine designing a full interface only to realize it doesn't support a core business need. Strategy plane builds focus and direction. Strategy gives the team a shared vision. It helps you answer the key questions like who are the users, what do they need, what are our business objectives. In short, the strategy plane is where everything begins. It's all about understanding two key things: what your users want and what your business needs. Without a solid strategy, you might build a beautiful app that no one needs or a feature-packed website that doesn't help your business grow. So imagine this as laying the foundation of a house. If it is weak, everything above it will collapse. The next one is scope plane. The scope plane defines what the product will do, its feature, and the content. It turns strategy goals into a clear to-do list. Strategy plane translates strategy into action. The scope plane connects high-level goals from the strategy plane to a specific functionalities and content. For example, if your strategy says users need to track orders, then scope defines how, like adding a tracking feature. It saves time, budget, and effort. You know exactly what to build, nothing more and nothing less. It helps in project planning, timelines, and resource allocation. In simpler terms, the scope plane is where we define exactly what the product will do. It takes the strategy, breaks it down into clear features and content. Without a defined scope, you risk building too much or worse, building the wrong things. It keeps the project focused on time and within the budget. The next one is structure plane. It defines how users interact with your product and how information is organized. It creates logical flow. It maps how users move through the product like screen to screen or page to page. For example, from home product list to product details and checkout. It makes information easy to find. It deals with information architecture, organizing content so users don't get lost. A well-structured app helps users find what they need without frustration. Structure plane supports user goals. It ensures that user task flow should be smooth and it should make sense. For example, booking a ticket should feel natural and not like solving a puzzle. It bridges scope and design. Once you know what you're building, the structure decides how it functions. It sets the stage for wireframes and interface layout in the next plane. In simple words, the structure plane is all about how everything connects. It defines the flow of interaction and how information is organized. Think of it like on a map. Without it, users can get lost. The next one is skeleton plane. It focuses on layout, navigation, and interface elements. It decides where things go in the screen and how users interact with them. It improves usability. It defines how easy it is for users to navigate and complete tasks. Smart placement of buttons, menus, and forms can greatly improve the user experience. Skeleton is like blueprint for surface plane. It helps designer test layouts and iterate before committing to colors, fonts, and images. Skeletal plane saves time and reduces errors. Catching layout or flow issues at this stage is cheaper and faster than fixing them later in high fidelity design or development. So in short, the skeletal plane decides where everything goes onto the screen, like buttons, menus, images, and text. It brings structure to life in a visual layout, making sure that the interface is usable, logical, and clear. It is like wireframing your ideas before painting the final picture. The last one is surface plane. Surface plane is the visual layer, what the user actually sees and interact with. It includes colors, typography, images, icons, and spacing. First impressions matter. Users judge products instantly based on how they look. A clean, attractive interface builds trust and makes users more likely to stay and explore. It reinforces usability. Good visual design isn't just pretty, it makes the product easier to use. For example, high contrast buttons, clear labels, and consistent style guide the users and reduce confusion. It supports brand identity. Surface design conveys your brand's tone and personality. The surface plane is the final layer in UX design. It's actually what users see. It's where visual design comes to life through color, fonts, icons, and layout. A great surface design makes the experience not just usable but delightful. Great UX is built layer by layer, so don't skip the foundation. For more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.